O Allah, help and protect the people of Palestine. O Allah, ease their pain and suffering. O Allah, bestower of mercy, bestow your mercy on them. O Allah, open people's heart to give in this time of crisis. O Allah, help those who are in need wherever they may be. O Allah, change the condition of Ummah. O Allah, restore the dignity and honor of Muslim Ummah. O Allah, aid the Mujahideen and our brothers and sisters in Palestine, in Zimbabwe, in Syria, in Afghanistan, in India, in Bosnia, in Chechniya, in Kosova, in Kashmir, in Marawi, in Iraq, and in other parts of the world where they are facing the tyranny and oppression. Oh Allah, please help us. Oh Allah, forgive us. Oh Allah, forgive us. Oh Allah, forgive us. Ameen Ya Rabbul Alameen.